My name is Rick Renner, and today I'm giving you a studio tour showing you some of the things that are on the shelves of our studio. These are not just decorations. These are things that really mean something to me. And today I'm going to show you this vase. You say, Rick, what in the world is that vase? Well, this vase is made of alabaster, and guess where it's from? I bought this with our sons in the Valley of the Kings on the Nile River in Egypt. And the reason I wanted an alabaster vase is because it reminds me of John chapter 12. And in John chapter 12, the Bible tells us in verse 3, Then Mary took a pound of ointment of spikenard, very costly, and anointed the feet of Jesus and wiped his feet with her hair. And the house was filled with the odor of the ointment. And the Bible tells us in Matthew chapter 26 that all that ointment was contained in an alabaster box carved of this very same stone. And when I come in the studio and see that alabaster vase, it reminds me that everything we do needs to be an act of worship. Just like Mary brought that pound of spikenard in an alabaster box, and she anointed the feet of Jesus, and the odor of it filled the house. Everything we do in our lives, including all the programs that I teach in this studio, needs to release a sweet-smelling savor in the nostrils of God. And that's why I have an alabaster vase on this shelf.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.